I am a blacksmith from Jerusalem. I have a story I want to share about the day that I met him and how he turned my life around. It was a hot, dry summer day. The wind-blown sand stung my skin. Then he appeared at my shop door, requesting to quench his thirst. Ooh, how his eyes shine like onyx glistening in the sun. I've seen him walk around in the streets of town and noticed other people stop to stare. I knew there was something different about him then, and now he's standing at my door, at my shop door. Never spoke a word, yet he knew there was something killing me. He knew what the Roman soldiers did and how they took my only son from me. I was consumed with revenge. Rage robbed me of my peace, and I blame God for the tragedy. Oh, how could he let this be? Ooh, how his eyes shine brighter than the stars up in the sky. Night after night, I drink my tears away, hoping the pain would just stay away. I'd wake up in the morning from my drunkenness, but the cycle started over again, all over again. When I handed him the cup of water, he placed his hands around mine. Then he looked real deep into my soul. This man was the Son of God, I know. Then he said to me, peace be still, only the truth will set you free. And if the Son sets you free, you will be free indeed. Ooh, how his eyes shine. I was looking God in the eye. I closed my eyes when he let my hand go. I believed his every word, you know. He came to the earth to take away my sin. I felt the madness melt away, just melt away.